Hello everybody, my name is Ranbir Singh and in this video I am covering the treatment part of plantar fasciitis and heel spur. So these two problems, I discussed about these two problems in the previous video. So there are some 3 to 4 exercises which you can do very easily at your home without any equipment. So let's get started. So this is our first exercise in which you have to be in the lying position, simply on the bed, and in plantar fascia the muscle involved is of lower leg, which we call it calf muscles. So we need to stretch this muscles. So how you can stretch it? You just need a towel roll. So we will place a towel roll over toes and we can grip with both the hands, and now in this position, so you have to pull your toes inwards, and when you feel the stretch over your lower leg area, in that position you have to hold for 15 to 20 seconds. So I will show you again. So again, grab a towel at the bottom of your foot. So now pull the towel towards your body and you will feel the stretch over the lower leg muscles, which we call it calf. So repeat this exercise for 5 to 6 times, morning and in the evening. So this is our second exercise. In this exercise we have to stretch plantar fascia. So as I told you in the previous video, the plantar fascia is a kind of band which connects from heel to the toes. So there is a kind of inflammation or say partial tear. So this fascia gets tightened up. We need to stretch this fascia. So how you can stretch self at home very easily? So you just need to do is keep your one hand over the toes and other hand would be on the heel. So now with both our hands we will stretch this area. So we'll move our hands outwards. So there will be a gentle stretch over this area. So hold in this position for 5 to 6 seconds, or you can increase up to 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat the stretch for 5 to 6 times, morning and in the evening. So let's see it again. So we'll come into the neutral, one hand over the toes, other hand would be on the heel, and now we will stretch this fascia outwards. So as you can see, there is a gentle stretch coming over this area. This is a very important exercise, especially for heel spur patients and for plantar fascia. So this is our third exercise. Well, this exercise will function both as a strengthening for foot muscles as well as for the lower leg muscles. So in this, what we have to do is you have to be in the sitting position and simply you have to curl your toes inwards. So as you can see, you have to curl your toes and relax. So repeat it 15 to 20 times, or what you can do is try curling your toes for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. So when you will start doing it, you might feel there is a kind of exertion at the bottom of foot. You may feel little bit of pain, but that's totally okay. That means our internal muscles of the foot, they are working or they are getting used up. So this is our last exercise. In this exercise we are stretching again the plantar fascia, plus this exercise is a kind of deep tissue massage for internal foot muscles. So what you have to do is, in this exercise you just need a ball and you have to place the ball at the bottom of foot like this. So now after placing the ball, move your feet forward and backward. So what we are doing, we are rolling the ball forward and backwards, and you have to repeat it 20 to 30 times. So this will be a kind of deep massage for internal foot muscles and for plantar fascia as well. So all these exercises should be done twice or thrice a day. So we are done with the exercises part. So I hope these exercises will definitely help you. Do these exercises at your home and tell me how you feel after doing it. So there are only 3 to 4 exercises, and I hope you find it very easily. In case of any query, any doubt, you can contact me anytime. My number is on the page as well as in the description also. Thank you. Thanks for watching.